Crafty Hope and welcome. It has been a little bit since I have done a Thrifty Thursday. I've been trying to not buy a lot of stuff that's got to come in the craft room because I'm trying to clean it out and get it organized and a bunch of other things that I may go into somewhere else but not here. So the only thing I have right now is this beautiful frame that I got at a yard sale for 50 cents. I'm pretty smitten with it. Whatever the owner said, whatever was on the back had broken and was damaged. There is some stickiness around it, but I don't care. I think it's a really neat frame. Square, kind of cool, 50 cents. Pretty happy with that. I will come back with more when I have more to share with you right now. I did make it by the library today. I had to renew my library card, which I've been trying to do for weeks. And I try not to go into the library too much because then I go by the free bookshelves and pick up more books. And I did. So I'm going to show you real quick what I got, and that may be it. But let's see. I grabbed the Scholastic World Cultures program of Southeast Asia. It is I think it's a textbook, y'all, because it's got like the school book thing over here, and it does say Johnson High School in Savannah, Georgia. So, but it is, it's some fairly nice paper, but the big thing for me were some of the images that are in here. Like, well, we just saw it, you know, the people in Southeast Asia, images, you don't see, look at this. Just some great imagery in here. So that's the reason I got it. And yeah, so there's that. I picked up 3 magazines that are doll news. Y'all, dolls, yeah, are creepy and all of that, but this, just flipping, and there were a couple more of these doll news magazines that I didn't get, but a couple of the ones I have in the center have this thicker paper that I can feel with paper doll images in it. Super cute. That was the reason, but there's also like old ads for dolls in a lot of these, and that's just what I saw flipping through it, were some neat things like that. I mean, like, look at these drawings of old dolls. So I thought that was kind of neat. So it's got some neat things like that. So that's that one. This one, I think, also had this Swedish Nightingale, Jenny Lind paper doll, and I think it had, did it have some of the imagery too? I'm not seeing it, but this one I know had some of the advertisements are what got me. So there's, yeah, like this advertisement here. There was a whole section like here of old advertising for dolls. These are all wedding ones for some reason. Here's another paper doll thing. Just, you know, it's interesting. I'm going to flip through it and see if there's anything else I can get out of it. I mean, creepy images for sure. But yeah, so I thought it was kind of neat. Alright, what else? There's a, y'all, this is in, yeah, I don't know, German, Swedish? I have no idea, and that's the reason I got it. So the pages are a little more slick than I would prefer, but again, I like the images. I like that it's in whatever language this is. I'm going to say Swiss because, you know, that seems Swiss-ish. Ooh, that's hard to say. So, just a neat little, yeah, and it's even got a stamp that's in that same language. So I don't know, it looks like it came from the library wherever this is. I don't know. It's got a neat little like plastic book cover and everything on it too. The other two, I don't even know if I can get them all in frame. They're huge. Very huge. Let's see. Yeah, this one's a foot and like 2 inches at least. And it is a book on, oh, what was it? Architects of the American Colonies. So it is, y'all, and it's got that, see if I can show it to you guys. It still has the library pocket on it because it was withdrawn from the library. But it's a lot of just images of houses and buildings, and I thought that was super kind of neat. The paper itself is fairly thick, would be good for a junk journal or something like that, and like I said, they're huge. So I'm pretty excited about that one. And then the other one I got also because it's huge. It is all in stained glass, and the pages are kind of slick, but again, let's see, I think, yeah, it's got the pocket as well. But look at, y'all, just can't even help it. Stained glass is so gorgeous. And so it's also got like little images of buildings, like churches and things like that, that I thought would be neat to have. Here's some information about restoring stained glass. But look at this. This is, yeah, I was gonna say this has got to be Tiffany, and it is. Tiffany. So, yeah, pretty stoked about those. So that is probably going to be it for this thrifty haul. I don't know that I'm going to get any more done before I get this up, but we'll see. Hey, I ran by the Habitat for Humanity Restore looking for some furniture. I'm trying desperately to... I'm setting up an office, a separate space for my office stuff, and I need storage, furniture type things, bookshelves, whatever, tables, those kind of things. And so I went up there to look for that, and of course I can't leave there without looking around. I love their smalls, so I'm going to show you what I got real quick. I got these 2 swivel ceiling hooks. These have got to be, y'all, look at them, from the 70s or something. They're for like hanging lamps. I think this one is showing for like a lamp one and for plants. But I like just the hardware in them. I can see hanging inside an assemblage somehow to have it move. So I'm gonna, and they were $1 each. So, and even if not, the hooks themselves are pretty sweet. So. Also for $1 was this Speedy Stitcher. It's a sewing awl. I believe it's thread. It's possibly waxed. Let's see, we're gonna take it out. Yeah, it's kind of waxed. I think it's for leather work, and they had tons of these up at my Habitat store, but I thought wax cord, I can always use wax cord for binding books or making beaded bookmarks or jewelry or whatever. So yeah, I may go back and get more, but they only have this color, so it's not like a bunch of fun colors. So I grabbed this little frame for 50 cents. It's just a, but inside some kind of little assemblage or something like that, it would be super cute. It's missing most of its little hooky things, so yeah, that's whatever. I think I got each of these for $1. This one, y'all, it cracks me up. It's a black pipe nipple. Now that looks nothing like a nipple. My husband says it's just for connecting one pipe to another, but I don't know how that makes it a nipple. I don't know. But it's nice and mostly rusty. I may put it outside and let it rust some more. But this one is fully rusty, and again, it's just some kind of pipe connector thing that I thought was kind of fun. Look at that. Super neat. All right. Randomness. And lastly, my Restore has a 25-cent bin, so everything in it is a quarter. And so there's another, like, tacky hook that, again, could be neat and something. And they had a bunch of these letters, they're numbers, number stickers. They're probably for like houses and things like that. And I think most of them, it's all the same number. So these are all 6s, but they can also be 9s. How about that? So I thought that was kind of, I think there's 10 of them in there. And then, let's see, I think these are probably all 0s, and they're reflective, so that's great. So yeah, all 0s there. I've got one with some big 1s. Let me see, I'm getting these, some big 1s here. But then this one is in a resealable bag, and I think it's different numbers. So I've got some 0s, some sevens. So, okay, but it's more than just one kind of number. So I've got a bunch of zeros, ones, sixes, and sevens. So that's fine. I'm good with that. I especially like this one, just kind of the plain black is kind of neat. So anyway, that was my haul from the Habitat Humanity thrift store. We'll see. This could be it, but like I said, I'm trying different thrift stores, trying to find some furniture, so I may have more. If that was everything, then I thank you for watching. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Come back later and see what I do with some of these things. And let me know if you have any questions. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.